Welcome back to setup number 3. I ended up logging into an actual account. Now we're going to put our bots on the currency pair so we can trade. First thing you want to do is right click right here above EURUSD, go to Windows, select them all, and we're going to close these. And almost everyone who has the Hyena Assassin should be rocking the Ethereum settings. So we're going to go over to symbols. This is where we find the currency pairs. We go to symbols. Ethereum is a crypto, so it's under crypto. Go down to Ethereum. And whichever currency pair you're trying to show, you click it and click show. Boom, pops up. For Ethereum, we're going to right click chart window, and then maximize it. So this setting is on the 1 hour chart, which we'll talk more in the next video. But it's on the 1 hour chart, so we're good to go. All you do is double click the bot, Hyena Assassin V2, extend it, go to common, make sure allow live trading is on, make sure allow DLL imports selected, and then go to inputs, and all you want to do is go to load, go to the desktop, because that's where we put our setting at, and then boom. There's your Ethereum setting, you just hit open. You can go and change the risk and change parameters, but we'll talk about that later. But it's a default 1% risk, so you just hit OK, and you're good to go. And for it to trade, you just need to turn on auto trading, and you'll see a smiley face. And you should be good to go. Yeah, so that's it for this video. The next video will go more in depth about adding the different more settings, more currency pairs, and adjusting the risk.